Let's talk about using text features. We have a beautiful map. You've seen this map before. Text features support the information in a text and often build on the information. To use text features to solve a problem or find an answer, follow these steps. Find the location of the information. You find the information. Okay, all right. Text features. Here we have a timeline. It has a list of events leading to the American Revolutionary War. And I believe you can start with 1754 through 1763. We had the French and Indian War, down through to taxation, Boston Massacre, and the Tea Act and the Boston Tea Party, all the way down to 1774, the Coercive Acts. So we start with 1775 through to actually 1774. This is a timeline of events. This is a map. This is a map of Paul Revere's ride. What happened to Paul Revere during his midnight ride? Use this map to learn about the details of his journey and then check your answer. So Paul Revere's ride is in, I believe it is in blue. Yes, blue. So you see the blue and you follow the blue and he starts down here and he follows along and he's up here where his ride changes. Revere is captured. So Revere is captured and another man named Samuel picks up and takes off where he left off. And that's what we're able to learn from this map, is that Paul Revere was captured in the area of Lexington and Samuel picked up the information to get to the American soldiers to help us beat the British during the American Revolutionary War. Okay, so that's a map. This is a digital text feature here. You can see one, if you click on it, will give you sound and you can hear things. Maybe it's birds chirping and trees, and maybe you're supposed to be hearing that you're in the forest. So that would help you know what's going on. These are interactive elements. They're images and there's different pictures. And so you would pick those pictures and then you would put them in the correct category. Those boxes obviously are categories. Then here we have a video. It looks like a video of a battle scene. So we're probably learning something about history in this video, and we have to click play to be able to watch this video. And then we'll learn more and maybe be able to find the answers to a problem through these text features. Last, we have this animation. And in this animation, the person is swimming and moving their arms. And so we know about swimming and maybe that they're doing a certain type of swimming to stay above the water, or at least on top of the water. So text features here are digital text features, and they're used to communicate meaning and the information to find out the answer. Okay. All right. Good readers use text features like maps to find answers to questions. Text features can help you to locate and find information. Okay. Find the location of the information. The first step is to locate the information about the topic using the table of contents, index, headings, and search words. Step 2, find the information. The second step is to read and find information about the topic using maps, charts, graphs, and timelines. Okay, so that was our information on using text features. And we have plenty of information here. We have maps and timelines and digital features as well. Thank you for listening.